Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
It's story time.
Mia was waiting. Her mum said, "I will come soon." But she was late. Mia looked at the door. Again and again.
Where is Mom?
She waited for a long time. She felt scared. She felt alone. Mia started thinking.
Mom, is that you? I miss you so much. I'll wait right here. Did Mom forget me? Did something go wrong?
Sometimes, when we don't know the truth, we feel worried. A kind voice can make us feel better.
Hello, dear. Are you okay? I am waiting for my mom.
Oh, sweetie. Don't worry, we'll find her. She will come. Don't worry, okay? Okay.
But, this is what Mia didn't see.
Here, let me help you with that.
Thank you. I needed help.
Sure, uncle. You don't worry. I will take care.
Mia's mum was late because she was helping someone in need.
Thank you, my dear. You are so kind.
It's no trouble at all. It was so nice to meet you.
The pleasure was all mine, my dear.
Take care. Mia! Mia! Where are you?
Mom, I'm here.
Mom!
Mia. Mom. Why were you late? I was helping someone who needed me.
They found each other and held each other tight.
Oh, I understand.
It's going to be okay.
Mia learned something important.
Mom, I love traveling with you.
I love it too, my sweet Mia.
Are we almost there?
Yes, very soon.
Sometimes we don't know the full story, so we should not think wrong. Always be patient. Always be kind. Don't worry. Don't worry. It means everything will be okay. I understand. I understand. It means I know how you feel. Thank you. Thank you. It means I am happy for your help. Be kind. Be patient. And keep learning English with fun. If you like this story, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun stories.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.